See the spinach. Yo, Talofa, and welcome to So Real's Cooking. Yeah, what is this fella cooking? Something greeny. I wanna eat palusami or luau or whatever you call it. But the problem is, I can't find any taro leaf anywhere. So I gotta ask Siri. If I can't find taro leaf, what should I use?
放它的 spinach.
Okay, so you want me to use that one?
这有点受。
Okay, let's go. Say less. Well, I said taro leaf, so right now I'm gonna use spinach. Let me show you. Boom, boom. Salt, your onion. Oh my god, so watery. Hands. This one here, it's better with a lamb flaps or turkey tail, not this one. This one is the first time. The next step is the fun. Like this. Spinach. 1 scoop of this. Spinach again. Right now, I'm gonna put it in. Let's see how it looks. Nghe phây mấy số mà ngắt quỷ xíu don't like it, just move along. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Man, see the spinach? Oh. Man, what the hell did I just make? Man, you know what? Don't buy taro leaves anymore. Just buy the spinach. Easy.